Hi, there's Papa D. We're going to work on restringing this wind chime. It's been broken. We're going to try to repair it and see what we end up with. As you can see, I got my handy dandy hooked over to that side with a little cable, hooked over to this side with a little cable, and get up to my height. I hung a crowbar on it. Okay, one of the things why I'm redoing this is we had a family of coons living around here a couple of years ago, and they decided to try to make this a meal for some odd reason. So we're going to try to straighten out the chimes. I've already done this one, but I noticed on the other one, I've got another dented one there, so we'll see what we got going. We'll try. And the way I do it is I have this alignment bar here. I think it's for a railroad track or something, but I get started in a hole and then we get the hole somewhat round and I find a bolt close to that size and then we make it more better. More better. So we'll get going here. Okay, I had a couple divots in there and I straightened them out with my pliers. I put my pliers in there like this. Now we're gonna make the hole a little more rounder. We're gonna do this. Just like that. Oh, almost perfect. Yeah, mercy. I don't think we can do any better than that. It's pretty good. Alright, we got one on the other, on the chime itself. We got oh, there we go. This one here has a divot in it, so we're going to just cut it off and see what we can end up with here. Okay, right here we got a little divot. Right there. So we're going to put our pliers in here like this. Bring it back out. Just like that. That's about the best I can do there. Make it a little rounder. Get my little tapered shaft. And slide it in. Pull it back out. Slide it in there. Alright, that's that. What I've discovered, I got 4 different sizes, at least 4. All these go together. Some are in better shape than others. Those are really wailed on pretty good. I don't know why they did that. Raccoons. But I got one more hanging over here that we're gonna cut off. is what you call making letting the wind sing. They say that we have 5 of these pipes, all different lengths. Now, I don't know for sure, but I found this whole piece of pipe. Maybe we'll just make it a little bit longer. Say like right about here. A little bit heavier. Maybe we won't like the noise on it, but we'll find out. Okay, this pipe right here. We're going to cut it off. I think you guys can see it. There's 4 different lengths here. So what we're going to do is cut this one off right about here. See how it looks. We're trying to do this all by ourselves. So we're going to cut it off right around in here, and then we'll get back with you. Stay tuned. Well, I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. But I cut this with my Dremel. Got me a little cutting wheel on it. Didn't get it too straight. Where we at? There we are. There we are. Try to see. I'm going to flatten her out a little more, and then we'll get back with you. Got a little better. Christ. Turn that thing down when you're off. Now we're going to have to drill some holes in it, but I like that a little better. Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I got this bar drilled, and I tried to hit it with a center punch to bevel it in so the string wouldn't have so, yeah, where the heck we go, so the string wouldn't be so rough on it. But we're going to work on it some more. I took a file and filed this way on the hole to get the burrs off the hole. Center punched it first to run the drill through it. Just use my small Roby, and then I cleaned the rest of these up. I'm pretty sure this is a heavier tube than this, so I don't know what kind of noise we're going to get out of it, but we're going to hang it up and try it, so we'll work on it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you folks later. If you like us, please subscribe and mash that thumbs up button. Papa D out. Papa Dean. As my granddaughter calls me. Papa Dean. Papa D later.